everyone. This video is about some of the life skills activities which I mentioned in my last video of homeschooling setup. I'll be sharing the link also in my description box for those who have not seen, and it will give you some idea on how to set up these activities in your shelf. These activities are very important and helps your child to handle their everyday issues effectively. It touches upon issues that are real and actually affect their lives. And these activities are indirectly aimed in developing your child's concentration, confidence, and independence. For today, I will begin with 5 water transferring activities. So stay tuned and watch the full video. First is water transfer with a sponge. This is a fun activity for toddlers since it involves water. You can introduce this to your child saying, "Hey, I have something interesting to show you and I will show you how to do this." Now, this water transfer through a sponge can be done by 1-year-old. Take same size and same color container. While doing this, children will make a lot of mess and mistakes. We don't have to clean or correct them. Allow them to fix, which makes them stronger and helps them progress in life.
This sponge is absorbing.
Yeah, the sponge is absorbing water.
Water. So what's the fun in your homeschooling?
Once your child has mastered this activity, they can begin learning to control their movements using an eyedropper and smaller containers later. Second is water transfer with a funnel. For doing any practical life activity, take only real materials, like don't take from their kitchen sets. Make sure to keep all the materials in a tray, because if they have to look for something, suppose they need a sponge or cloth to wipe, then if it is not there, their concentration is broken. The use of funnel can help your child to understand about small spaces and how the flow of water works. They will discover that to easily transfer water to a small mouth container, they will be needing a tubing or funnel to successfully pour water into it. You can use a beaker or similar to beaker like plastic or glass. Third is water transfer with a sieve. Fourth is water transfer with a dropper. Working with water is a great sensory experience and is good exercise for their hand muscles and fine motor skills. It is a practical life exercise because it teaches children how to control the movement of water. Fifth is water transfer with syringe. I've taken bird's container. You can try using ceramic or glass as child progress, and they also learn how to handle breakable items. If they break, they will be careful next time. I started with easy, and in coming videos you will see how you can raise the level of difficulty with other life skills activities, and each is planned to teach one lesson at a time. Thank you for watching. Do try them with your child, and if you have any questions regarding this activity, you can comment and I will respond to you. Don't forget to subscribe if you like to see more videos.
Thank you for